Good morning, guys. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So, which is a job guaranteed program. Does not mean that I'll be, taking your interviews. It is not like that. I will give you whatever you need to get the job, whether it is a project, whether it is a, syllabus, whether it is a, knowledge, everything I'm going to be giving from very, very basic level to advanced level. So I'm assuming that many people are from the non-IT background. Many people never worked for any companies. Many people maybe worked for different industries. 10 years of call center, domain knowledge you may have it. 10 years you may be working for the airlines back office jobs. You may be working for ICICI bank or the banking or the insurance, but you don't have the proper job today. You may be earning 30,000 rupees, 40, 50,000 rupees per month today. That is not the sufficient income. You need to migrate your knowledge. You have to get more and more jobs. So what is the toughest thing today? Unlearning and relearning. Many people will come, sir, I have 10 years of experience. That experience today is not useful. Whatever you have in your mind, that you need to remove it first. Okay, whatever you have in your the experience that you're quoting today, that is of no use. Industry does not need that. First you have to remove that unlearning, and then only you can learn new things. You remove from, you have a cup of chai, but the cup is completely filled with that tea. So if you wanted to keep more and more tea, you will not. You have to remove the tea first, coffee first from the cup, and put more technologies in your brain. So unlearning is important, relearning is important. Clear? So many people are telling me recession. Many people are telling me I cannot get a job because I have 10 years of a gap. Many people are telling me I have 42 years age. Many people are telling me I have an educational gap. Many people are telling me this is that, that is that. All of them are the bullshits. You talk to the right gurus, right people, right mentors, anybody can crack the interview. I have the people at the age of 42, 47, 36, they're able to crack not only one offer letters, three, four offer letters. Earlier, they were working for the call center for 10 years, getting only 4 lakhs per annum. Those girls are getting now 15 lakhs per annum. How? Nothing. Only one thing they have done, unlearning and relearning. That's it. Very simple. Unlearn and relearn. That's it. If you do that, anybody can become anything in this world, because I'm going to be teaching from very, very basic level to advanced level. I am assuming that many people coming from non-IT background. So I'm going to be starting the classes from very, very basic level to advanced level. It is a completely job guaranteed program. Does not mean that I will be doing your interviews. No. So you need to take care of your interviews, but whatever you need, everything I'll be able to plan it. I will be able to write a proper screenplay. Story is mine, screenplay is mine, music, everything will be from my direction only. So that direction I'm going to be giving. With the direction, not only one, many people are able to crack not only one offer letter, even the recession. My people are cracking many, capturing many offer letters. So minimum, if you put 2 to 3 years of experience, you will be able to get a minimum 8 lakhs to 15, 20, 25 lakhs of salary package that you will be able to get it. I will show you thousands of offer letters. Many people from BA, BCom background, botany, zoology background, BTech mechanical background, BTech IT background. So people working for lesser salary because they did not had the proper mentors. Clear? So many intelligent people also will be working for less salary. What is the problem? Not intelligence. They don't have the proper mentor. That is the issue. Right? If you don't have the proper mentors, even though you're an intelligent guy, you're getting 90% of the marks in your colleges, but that is itself, it doesn't work. You need to have good mentors, good directors like Rajamouli. If you have Rajamouli, you need not worry about it. But if you don't have a Rajamouli, then it is biggest issue. So always remember, only knowledge doesn't give you anything. With the knowledge, you need to have proper mentoring, proper gurus have to be there. So any non-technical people also can get into IT industry. I have more than thousands of people who got the opportunities worldwide. and I'm having 24 years of experience in the IT industry. I can completely shape. Daily, you need to give minimum 2 to 3 years of time. You need to have the laptop. I will give you software and everything. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we're going to be completely understanding the data analytics in Power BI. Let me start the demo. Okay, so tomorrow, day after tomorrow, also you need to attend demo number 2 and demo number 3, same time, same meeting ID. So this is the form you need to fill, and I think I have given the form in the chart window. Your email address, full name, location, mobile number, you need to subscribe. So daily videos we're going to be giving 6 months the validity for the course. You will be able to get all the videos will get recorded. It will be given to you so that you will be able to revisit and you will be able to write the notes and everything. And after 6 months, if you wanted to have the videos, means you can pay some nominal amount and you can call these numbers. You will be able to, pay some nominal amount. You will be able to get extension as well. So should not be worried about anything from my side. We will not be, giving any, fake promises. Everything, whatever I'm telling, that I'm going to be giving it to you. Nothing extra will be taken from your pocket. So as I told you, I'm having 24 years of experience. I worked for many companies earlier. Year 2000 to 2010, I was there in Bangalore for 10 years. After that, I moved to Hyderabad. I worked for Accenture, Patni, Unilever, Microsoft, Gachibowli, and I trained thousands of people. Infosys, CGI. I was a corporate trainer earlier. Currently, I'm not doing any corporate training because I cannot travel more and more. Because if you wanted to become a corporate trainer, you need to travel, right? So I don't want to do that. I worked for a lot of companies. Currently, I'm not working anywhere. I'm running. I'm completely a faculty in this institution now because I wanted to share my knowledge. If you don't have the proper gurus, proper teachers, it will be difficult for the next generation. So I love teaching. I'm passionate about teaching. That is the reason I'm here today with my, vast amount of knowledge. I'm going to be sharing everything from very, very basic level to advanced level. If you don't understand or if you need one-to-one any career guidance, anytime you will be able to call me. My direct number also I'm going to be giving. It is my office direct number. So my direct number will be same number, only you need to include 5 991 991 9452. Anybody wanted to talk to me directly for the career guidance or any other things you wanted to share, anytime you can just call me. So I will be able to talk to you one-to-one. I can give you complete career guidance. Clear? So please, note this number 991 991 9452 is my direct office number. Anytime you can just call me directly. You can ask the questions, sir, can I get a job? Can I learn this course? I wanted to have some guidance. Whatever you wanted to have, you will be able to ask anytime. Chalo. So the age gap doesn't matter. Any qualification is fine, because today people are not asking in the interview what is your qualification. They're asking, what do you know? The question is changed. Today people are asking, what do you know? You tell me that. That's it. I am not, worried about your age. I'm not worried about your qualification gaps and nothing. Duration of the course will be 3 months, and free projects and materials are going to be included in the training. Methodology purely online as of now. We don't have any classroom trainings as of now. CV and interview preparation is included. Job placement assistance, everything is included. But you have to crack your interview. Clear? Because the proxies and everything, if you're planning, people can easily catch within 2 seconds because of AI applications are installed everywhere. You can get caught within 2 seconds. So never go for the proxies. Without knowledge, you cannot go into any industry today. That is for sure. Right? Any graduate, any non-IT professional, any year passed out, teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking, insurance professionals, BA, BSc, BCom, BPharmacy, MPharmacy, MSc, MCom, MCA, BBA, MBA, diploma candidates. Sir, I have done my degrees using BR Ambedkar Open University. Am I eligible? 100% eligible. Clear? One guy called Srinivas, he joined 2 years back. He told me, sir, I'm having a BA from BR Ambedkar. That too after 3 years of my 10th. I did not have the even intermediate. 10th is completed in 2010. After 5 years of gap, I have joined BA. Then 2015, 2016, 2017, I have completed my BA in BR, Open University. He joined me 2 years back. Sir, can I get a job? Yes, I said you can get a job. That guy told me, sir, you're only person told me, I can get a job. I can also get into IT industry. That guy got 2 offer letters. Currently is working with Ahmedabad. 2 offer letters he got it. One is 8 lakhs, one more is 12 lakhs. Right? So nobody stopped him. His name is Srinivas. If you wanted to talk to him anytime, I can invite. So he will be able to share his story. Right? So nothing stops, only your knowledge. So what is the question they're asking? What do you know? That's it. They're not worried about qualification, open university, gap, nothing. So anyone can learn this core hot skill, high salary, no coding is required, low programming, 20 years, 20 hours. So approximately per month, 20 hours of the classes will be there because Monday to Friday only will be having classes and other holidays also we don't conduct. So every month, the 20 hours, 20 hours, 20 hours classes will be there. 3 months will be able to complete uh, the course. Daily recorded videos are going to be shared. Real-time topics are going to be covered. Sample CVs and everything I'm going to be giving. CV preparation I'm going to be doing for you. Online lab support I'm going to be doing it for you. Interview questions and preparation, everything I'm going to be doing. But daily 2 to 3 hours of practice you need to give from your end. Clear? So lifetime access for the unlimited data sets, interview questions, sample CVs. One free project is included with this fee. Assignments I'm going to be giving. Flexible learning. Anytime you can learn. And because videos are going to be with you, live clarification sessions, you can have one-to-one live interactive sessions also we can have in the evening. Sir, morning I have attended the demo or the class. I wanted to meet with you in the evening. I have given you my number, right? So, evening you will be able to connect one-to-one with the lab sessions. And not only evening, anytime, whenever you get time, you can just connect one-to-one so that you can utilize me completely. I'm with you always. Till you get the placement, I'm there with you. Are you ready with the minimum 2 to 3 hours of, practice? Whatever I'm telling, you see, in next 3 months, you will be able to get much more things and in the easy manner, right? So, but remember, will you be able to learn only Power BI course? Answer is no. You will be able to learn totally 5 courses in our 3 months of duration. So all of them I'm going to be covering one by one. So let us talk what is that you're going to be learning and why we need to learn everything. We will be able to understand it here. Guys, for the, banking exams and RRB exams and the groups preparation, you are giving 3 to 5 years of time. For the government jobs, you give me 3 years, 3 months of your time or minimum 6 months of your time, you see the results. Okay, but don't expect any results within 1 month. If somebody is telling you, I will teach you Power BI for 1 month, give me 2 lakhs, means you have to stop talking to that fellow because end of the day you lose the job, you lose the opportunity, you lose money. Give me enough time, give me enough time so that you see the changes. You may be non-IT guy, doesn't matter. You may be in 36, 40 age, doesn't matter. You give me one chance and you will be able to see the changes, right? So try to understand now what is IT industry if somebody tells you. So IT industry means what? It is information technology, right? So information technology means what it is doing. Do you know? IT industry is going to be taking your data and IT industry is going to be processing your data. That is what IT industry is going to be doing. So many people worried about what is Java, what is .NET. So IT industry is doing what? IT industry doing only one thing. It is going to be storing your data. IT industry is going to be processing your data. Only these two things IT industry is going to be doing, nothing else. If you take a car manufacturing industry, it is going to be taking the steel and motors and everything. It is producing the cars. So what IT industry is going to be producing? It is producing lot of softwares, but the softwares are, what is the purpose of those softwares? Maybe Java, .NET, Android, SQL, lot of softwares we have. So what is the purpose of the IT industry? If somebody asks you, IT industry is going to be storing your data. IT industry is going to be processing your data. Processing is also called as a computer, right? Compute means a process. Storing means what? Store the means saving. For example, I have some data, 10 is there, 20 is there. I would like to store the data. Earlier we were using a lot of pen and paper. You take a paper, you write. So 10 is there, 20 is there. You're going to be storing the data in the pen and the paper. You wanted to compute the data. You wanted to process the data. What is the processing? I wanted to know what is the sum of these two numbers. Sum 10 plus 20 is equivalent to 30. This is a processing or computing. And what is the minimum of these values? Minimum is a 10. Okay, very good. That is also computing, processing. What is the maximum of this data? Maximum is 20. Clear? So when you have a small amount of data, you will be able to store the data in the paper using the pen and paper. But when you have a large amount of data, I am talking about 10 billion data I have. 1 billion is equivalent to 100 crores. అర్థమవుతుందా? 1 billion is equivalent to 100 crores. What is the phone pay data per month data? Do you know? ఫోన్ పే మీరు ఉపయోగిస్తా ఉన్నారు కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫోన్ పే డేటా? ఫోన్ పే డేటా పర్ మంత్ ఈజ్ 7.2 బిలియన్. 7.2 billion means it is a 720 crores data per month. Now, can I store the data in the pen and paper? No, 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 no. You need to have a software. So to store the data, IT Index is going to be using a software. The software is called as a SQL software. Clear? So IT industry is going to be using a software. The software is called as a SQL, structured query language. It is also called as a database management system. Clear? So database management software, it is also called as a relational database management system. This is the basic funda you need to know. If you wanted to store the data, large amount of data I'm talking about. When you have a small amount of data, you will be able to store in the paper and the pen. Or if you have 20, 30 people data I wanted to store, I may store the data in Excel also. Excel also people are going to be storing. But I am not talking about 10, 20 rows. I am talking about billions of data, trillions of data, how IT industry is going to be storing. It is going to be using a software called SQL software, database management software, relational database management software. So I will give you one example. I have a lot of gold. Where do you store the gold? Gold bank. I have a lot of blood. Where do you store the blood? Blood bank. I have a lot of data. Where do you store the data? Data bank. Data bank is called as a database. Clear? Data bank is called as a database. Database means a data bank. I wanted to store large amount of gold. You have a lot of lockers. You can go. You can keep your gold there. Right? You can go to different blood banks. You can store your blood there. I can go to Apollo Hospital blood bank. I can go to Rainbow Hospital. I can go to Chiranjeevi blood bank. I can go to Kim's Hospital blood bank. So many companies are going to store your blood like that. Many SQL softwares are available. So all the softwares are going to be storing your data. One of the popular database management system is called Oracle. Oracle is a company is going to run a SQL software, or it is also called as a database management software. So you have a Microsoft SQL server. Okay, there's also one more company's database or a data bank software. It is Microsoft. Like that, you have IBM's DB2. Clear? So you have a lot of softwares are available. These softwares are called as SQL softwares or database management softwares or relational database management softwares. All the people are going to be using Oracle or SQL Server or go to DB2. Where is your data? Data may be here, data may be here, data may be here. Like that, you have thousands of tools are available. You have Chiranjeevi Blood Bank, you have Apollo Hospital Blood Bank. Anywhere you can go, store your blood. Before storing the blood, what they do? They do all the testing and everything. If blood is nice blood means they will be able to store it. If the data is clean data, you will be able to store in the Oracle. What is the Oracle? Oracle is a go down or a storeroom. What is SQL Server? It is one more company's storeroom or a go down. DB2 is IBM company's storeroom and the go down. You can store the data, you can get the data. Water tank, what you do? You put the water, you get the water. Reservoir, what you do? You put the water, get the water. Water tank is a 10,000 capacity. Reservoirs means millions of water can be stored. The size matters. Clear? Like that Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these softwares we are going to be installing in our laptops. We are going to be writing a lot of program. We are going to be storing large amount of data. So that is what you need to understand. Clear? Without data, IT industry is not going to work. Now, who's going to be processing the data? For the storing data, we are going to be using a software called SQL software. All of them are called SQL softwares only. Now, how do you process the data? Process means computing, summing, minimum, maximum. So you are going to be learning a language. So many people will be telling, I'm learning C language, C++ language, Python language, right? I'm learning Java language. So the language is going to be taking billions of data from the RDBMs, from these godowns. It is going to be giving you sums. It is going to be sorting the data. It is going to be giving you minimum, maximum. Lot of data computing work it is going to be doing with the help of a language. Clear? So you may be learning a language. You will be able to work with the data processing or the data computing. If you're going to be working with the SQL means you're a store in charge. In the storeroom, what you do? You're going to be arranging the items. Clear? So you're going to be maintaining a go down. The go down is where you have a lot of data, tons and tons of data is going to be there. So you are called as a back-end developer. You're a store in charge. Clear? So if you're working with a SQL is called as SQL. So these applications are called as a back-end applications. These applications are called as the front-end applications. Java, .NET, C++, all of them are called as the languages. Languages are used to create a lot of web applications, lot of website which are going to be processing your data. So when you learn Java, Python, all of them learning. So here heavy coding you're going to be writing. So many people will not, like the coding. So many people wanted to go here because it is no coding or low coding. Clear? No coding or you say low coding when you compare with the Java and everything. Many people will come towards the SQL because they don't want to go into these heavy coding jobs and it is of less salaries when you compare with the back-end developers and the front-end developers. So Java, .NET developers will get not much salary because everybody wanted to learn Java and end of the day they don't get because Java is a 2 years course, but they want to learn everything within 1 month. So that is where the problem starts. They wanted to learn Java. Java is 18 months core Java, advanced Java, J2E, lot of theorems, lot of design patterns, lot of things you need to learn. If you learn Java, that is not enough. Compulsorily, you have to learn SQL also. Anybody who wanted to come into IT industry have to learn SQL. Clear? So you may learn Oracle, you may learn Microsoft SQL Server, you may learn DB2. All of them are called SQL softwares only. Microsoft taken the same name and they have given the software name for them They have called it as SQL Server. So Oracle SQL software is Oracle. So like that, they have taken the same name. SQL Server, both of them are not common. SQL is a data storing technology. So Oracle is a SQL software. DB2 is also SQL software. You have to know clearly. It is easy. So anything if you wanted to do, you will be able to first learn SQL. Then only you can learn C, C++, Java, .NET, Python, SAP, this one, that one. If you wanted to work with IT without SQL knowledge, you cannot get a job. Clear? So as I told you, you have to, IT industry is going to be storing the data, and the storing purpose, we are going to be using a software called SQL. It is also called as database management system. It is also called as relational database management system. We will be able to talk about this. This will be 45 hours course it is. We don't have the live classes. You have to buy videos, and daily you need to watch one video and practice. Clear? So in this module, we are going to be giving you SQL Server, because Power BI from Microsoft. We are not going to learn Oracle. We are going to be learning SQL Server. So this also we are going to be giving. So in the fee, we'll be collecting SQL Server fee also. We will be able to share the videos. These videos are available in Telugu language and English language. So whatever you're comfortable, you can just one set of the video. Daily one video you need to practice. Clear? So this is what we are going to be telling. For the processing purpose, processing is also called as what? Computing. Computer means a process. Okay, so for the processing purpose, we're going to be using a language. So anyhow, we are not going to be learning any languages here. So here, language like C, C++, Java, .NET, any language, you're going to be learning Python. So many people are learning it today, or Java. So anything we are not going to be learning today. So don't worry about this. We are going to be working with the SQL. So what kind of a tools we had, as I discussed. So Oracle is the #1 tool in the world. Oracle is a SQL software. Microsoft SQL Server, it is from the Microsoft, right? And IBM DB2, Database 2000, it is also very, very important SQL software or RDBMS software. And Netezza, it is also from the IBM company. Clear? So Netezza. Then we had lot of tools. MySQL, many people will be telling you all these are SQL software. SQL is called as a SQL or SQL, right? Teradata. Now you see how many softwares we had. We had lot of softwares. Postgre, SQL, right? All of them, thousands of softwares we have in the IT industry. We had Sybase, right? So the list is very, very big. All of them are SQL software. So many companies are going to be using Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or Netezza or MySQL, Teradata. This is a free software. Free software means it is going to be given for free, but not very, commercial software. You cannot store large amount of data. It is a free meals. If you go to any temple, there is a free meals. You cannot ask chicken biryani there because you will not be able to give the complex menu. So it is a free. Anybody can try to use it for free, and you can store small amount of data. You can work with this. But remaining softwares are completely paid softwares. Your data, it is going to be there. For example, I go to Amazon.com. So I'm going to be buying, I wanted to buy one laptop. What I do, I wanted to go and say Lenovo laptops. So what kind of a laptop you need to have? I will give you the configuration. So minimum configuration that you need to have is i3, i4 processor. Don't never buy Celeron processors. It is very cheaper. So never buy Celeron processors. Okay. So what kind of laptops you need to buy it? I am using a Lenovo. I am recommending Lenovo. At least some 35,000 rupees laptops you need to buy. Minimum 4 GB of RAM I need. So it is having 8 GB of RAM. And hard disk, I need a minimum 256 GB. It is giving me 512 GB. Windows 11, it is there. Windows 11 is compulsory. If you have any other operating system, it is impossible to install Power BI software. Minimum 4 GB of RAM, 256 GB hard disk. Windows 11 is mandatory, MS Office, and which is a i3 processor. Any processor is fine, but no Celeron processor. Clear? So you don't buy minimum at 30,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees. When you invest, you will be able to get these laptops. Even AMD Ryzen laptops also super. Okay, you can buy this kind of a laptops also. 35,000 rupees you will be able to get very good, laptops that you need to have it. Windows 11 is mandatory. So when you go and try to buy these laptops, I'm giving you in the chart window. Anybody wanted to buy configuration means I'm giving you, this is one thing, and I can also give you this laptop configuration also. This is AMD. You can buy this kind of a laptops. Without a laptop, you cannot learn. Clear? 35,000 rupees is more than sufficient. When you wanted to buy this laptop, you click on buy now. So it is going to be telling me your user ID and password. When you go, you make the payment, all the data of Amazon company. This is Amazon website, right? This Amazon website is prepared using a Java or a .NET or a Angular JS or a Python, right? I don't know what is a website. This website is going to be taking the data, storing your credit card data, payment data. All the data is going to be stored either in Oracle or in SQL Server or in DB2. We don't know what Amazon is going to be storing in the back end. All the data is going to go to your Oracle server only. We don't know that it is going to be storing your data. Clear? For example, if you eat banana, if you eat apple, do you think that body will take banana as it is? No, no, no. Body will take carbohydrates, amino acids, vitamins, and proteins, fat. All of them will be pumped onto your blood. So you take banana to your mouth, but mouth is not going to be keeping the banana in the mouth. It is going to be going inside the body. Body is going to be checking whether it is a proper food or not. If the food is a proper, it is not a compatible food, you will get vomiting. So one more system it is there, that is, it is checking whether the food is compatible to me or not. Immediately, if food is poisoned, it will get vomited. So you don't know that. Body is checking, testing, quality control, it is doing automatically. Then only it is going to be storing and digestion, blah blah blah. All the data, it is going to be stored in the SQL or in the Oracle. Clear? So compulsorily you have to learn this tool. Now, once you load the data, once you steer the data, after that what we do? We are going to be creating a lot of processing, and we are going to be, using your Power BI to create lot of reports and everything. Compulsorily, you have to have the data storage technology. One of the tool you need to learn. So we are going to be strongly recommending to learn this software. It is released, the RDBMS concept is released, it is released in 1970s, right? But SQL Server is released in 1989 by Microsoft. So Oracle is also released during that time only. So many IT companies are going to be storing your data. If you go to ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, you have to know that whenever you go do cash withdrawal or whenever you do any payment in the phone pay data is going to be stored in the Oracle or might be in SQL Server. That is what you need to know. Clear? So without SQL, you will not be able to understand this. The next one you need to learn compulsorily Power BI, because that course we're going to be talking about today, Power BI. So Power BI is going to be a BA tool or a reporting tool. So that is what we will be able to understand. In tomorrow's class, I will be able to tell you what is this tool called. Clear? So data storing we're going to be using. Then the next technology I'm going to be talking about is Power BI. Power BI, it is going to be again processing your data similar to your languages only. It is going to be Power BI is released in 2015 actually. It is very, very new tool. It is going to be having live classes of 45 days. It is also 45 hours. Clear? You will be able to get the videos. So you are going to be learning. So current month is May and June. These 2 months, you will be able to completely work with these two technologies. May and June 2024. Daily, you need to attend one live class and daily videos I'm going to be giving, and daily you need to work with one technology, one RDBMS video. So daily two classes which gets over. This is the live batch and this is the video that you need to watch in the evening and write the notes. If you have a doubt, you will be able to ask me in the next day Power BI class, or you will be able to call me directly because I have given my number, right? You can also call me, sir, this is the question I have, and can we connect one to one now? So if I have time, if you have time, we will connect immediately one to one, and I will be able to troubleshoot the issue of the SQL. So that is how we're going to be practicing May and June. Only this Monday to Friday we'll have the classes. So once that is over, it is not at over in the July month. So July 2024, you have to learn one more tool called ETL tool. So this is what is called as, we have two tools here, SSIS and ADF Azure Data Factory. This will be for 1 month course. 25 hours it is, 1 month course. Either you can attend live classes, or if the videos, if you wanted to take, you can take the videos and you can practice, then it is done. Okay, so 3 courses are mandatory. You will be able to make the payment for the SQL, that is SQL Server. You will be able to make the payment for the Power BI. You will be able to make the payment for the ETL courses like SSIS and ADF. So what is SSIS and ADF? Everything we'll be talking tomorrow and after tomorrow. And apart from that, you will be able to get 2 free courses also. One is called Data Warehouse. This is concept you need to know. This will be 10 hours, it will be given free. And SSAS, so where you're going to be creating a cube and everything, this will be some 5 hours syllabus, it's going to be there. So if you, when you count totally, one is one SQL, 2 is Power BI, 3 is ETL, 4th is this. These 3 videos will be only given, no live classes will be there. So all of them you need to work. Clear? So in the month of July, the free videos also will be given. So you will be able to complete this extra 15 hours of course, so that you will become a data analyst in the company. Clear? So what do you mean by data analyst? You will become a data analyst. So this is the complete duration that you need to know. Clear? So these two, you will be able to concentrate only through videos. This will be, you can have live classes, but if you need videos also, you can buy, you can go for this. So from May and June, you will be able to only concentrate on these 2 topics. And from the next month, that is July month, you will be able to complete this. Once it is over, I will be able to prepare a CV, interview questions, project preparation. One project is given for free, and mock interviews. Everything is going to be included with no extra cost. Am I clear? So this is how I'm going to be, dividing the syllabus. First 2 months is going to be completely, important, because without SQL, you will not be able to complete any interview. 60% of the interview questions are going to be coming from SQL. Remaining 40% of the interview questions are going to be coming from different topics. If you don't know SQL very well, SQL Server very well, you don't know 60% of knowledge. That means you're not ready to work with the IT company. That's it. Okay, many YouTubers are telling, if you learn Power BI, that is enough, and you need to know Excel. Many people are telling you Power BI and Excel will give you good combination. Even though you know Excel, you don't know Excel, doesn't matter. Right? So if you don't know SQL Server, many people will tell me, sir, I know basics of SQL Server. Sir, my friend told me he will teach. One of the guide told me 5 hours only they will give me SQL. So these kind of guys 100% they'll fail, because as I told you, 60% of the interview question you ask. Many people got the jobs, right? You ask them. I'll call them one day for the to your meeting. You invite them. They will say, sir, they have asked only SQL questions from first to end. Remaining I got from SSIS and from the data warehousing, whatever you taught from our syllabus only. But SQL, you need to know much more, sir. That is the feedback that you will be able to get it. But when you go to YouTube, everybody can become a YouTuber. Whether they have the knowledge or whether you don't have the knowledge, they will be able to talk about everything. Then you believe those people. You think that is master in the technology. Do you know anything about him? You don't know. Blindly following those kind of people will not give you any proper guidance. They will completely misguide you, because they're not the proper doctors, right? If you go to Apollo hospital, you will become a meet the doctor, right? But if you talk to YouTuber, and YouTuber is not a doctor, he will be able to tell you a lot of things about cancer, lot of things about diabetics, lot of things about anything. But end of the day, you lose money, you lose health, you lose everything, you will die. So many people are following, lot of information is available. The information is a pain today, because more information today pain, right? Misleading. So you need to have the correct guru, correct mentor. If you don't have the proper guru, 100%, you will become a failure candidate. It is not the intelligence alone will give you a job. So many intelligent people are working for 20, 30,000 rupees, and BA, BCom guys are getting 1.5 lakhs per month salary. So do you think that what is that they know? They're completely BCom MBA guys, mechanical guys. They're able to crack 1.5 lakhs per month, and the 20, 30,000 rupees, the BTech 90% guys are earning today in Zomato, Swiggy, and they're working for the call centers. Always they say that recession is going on. Always they say that I am 35 crossed. I'm having 10 years of, non-IT background. I don't know whether I get a job or not. They'll be worried more. So I asked them, it is not, the age is stopping you. It is not the decision is stopping you. Only you don't have the knowledge, that you are not realizing it. You don't have the knowledge. Unlearn and relearn. Whatever you have in the mind, that is of no use today. You will be able to get 20, 30,000 rupee jobs only. You unlearn that. You remove that from your, the experience. That is of no use today. Clear? You remove it. You learn with the new technologies, new mentors, new coaches today. You will be able to crack the interview. This is what I'm going to be talking about from tomorrow. So tomorrow I will be able to, discuss a lot of technical things. Before closing the demo for today, I will give you two things and I'll complete. So when you have a data, with the data, two kind of a work is going on today. One is called data analytics. So this is also called as a business intelligence. Clear? So one kind of a work many people are going to be using with the data, that is a data analytics. That means understanding the past. Okay? Understanding the past is called data analytics. Now, one more thing we are going to be using with the data is a data science. Data science is called as what? Artificial intelligence. So it is also called as a artificial machine learning. It is also called as a deep learning today. Clear? So if you have the data, then only you will be able to work with the data science or data analytics. So what do you mean by AI and ML means? Predicting the future. Predict the future. So remember, both of them are not same. Say, with the data, two industries are going to be working today. One is called data analytics. Data analytics means we're talking about you have to learn SQL, you have to learn Power BI, you have to learn data warehousing, ETL tools. You will be able to learn everything within 3 months. You can get a job within 3 months. But if you wanted to become a data scientist or AML and everything, you have to know everything. Okay, this will be 3 months course. Plus, you have to learn Python, one language you need to learn. Plus, you need to learn artificial intelligence, which is a almost 18 months course it is. Okay, many people are telling data science is very good, very good, very good. Every YouTuber is telling you will get more jobs, hot jobs, this one, that one. You will not be able to get it because it's not so easy. Clear? So don't jump into this kind of a courses immediately because the minimum 18 months of time you need to keep it. So I don't recommend this to happen. So data analytics means Amazon company wanted to know what was my sales in India or sales in US last 5 years. The company wanted to understand the last 5 years data, right? What was my sales last 5 years? This is the best example for the data analytics. Our team is going to be working on the historical data, past data. But when you give the same data to Amazon data to the data science or AI people, they will be able to tell you what will be my sales in India next 5 years. Clear? So both of the teams are consuming the data. Both of the teams are consuming the data. One is guy is called artificial intelligence AI guy. One more guy is called data analytics guy. That is you. This is easy. Anybody can learn, can get, then complete the course, get into data analytics, work for IT industry 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 years. Then if you really wanted to migrate, you can migrate to this. Because that time no YouTuber need not tell you, Bhaskar Jogi need not tell you, you yourself will be able to understand because lot of things you need to know about data. Without data, no IT industry is there, no data analytics is there, no data science is going to be there. Clear? So artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, not so easy. So I strongly recommend you go into data analyst. Any BCom MBA guy, any non-IT guy can become a data analytics, but data science, you need to know the AI. These data, AI models or AI algorithms are very, very complex. So you have to know not only this, you have to know stats, you need to know maths background, you need to know data structures. You will go mad with the data structures. It is a computer science background. Students, they will be able to understand. You will be able to know problem solving skills. Clear? So if you don't know all of them, don't go into data science A and ML. So you better go into this. You can complete the course, get into data. That you will become a data analyst, business analyst. You will become a sales analyst. You can become a marketing analyst. You can become a lot of analysts. Lot of roles are going to be there with your domain knowledge. Maybe IT. You may be sales domain knowledge, marketing domain knowledge. You may be having financial domain knowledge or a call center knowledge, retail knowledge, or a Amazon working for the Amazon company. So you can have retail knowledge. With that knowledge, when you learn this kind of a courses, you will become a techno function guy. You can become a techno function guy. You will be able to get much more jobs here. Don't go into this. But definitely you have to have the data. You can become a data analytics, a data analyst, or you can become a data scientist. Clear? So tomorrow I'll talk about a lot of other interesting facts. What is a data science? What is a ETL? What is a data warehousing? Lot of things I'll be talking about. So when you're working with the data, you will be able to become a data engineer. So many people are going to be talking about it today, data engineering. So that is also I'm going to be talking about. Now many people are going to be talking about your data plus cloud technologies. What is a cloud? I will be able to tell in tomorrow, day after tomorrow classes. So all of them we're going to be working. So any no coding, low programming means I strongly recommend to go into this. I'll be teaching you everything from scratch. Clear? So this is what is my syllabus. I'm going to be giving you complete knowledge from zero to hero. You can easily put 3 years of experience. So I'll give you at least a 10 years real-time knowledge. You will be able to get it with 3 months course because I'll give you a lot of assignments. I'll give you a lot of projects work. I'll give you a lot of syllabus, and 90% of the syllabus is going to be asked in the interviews. That is mine only. You can just tell me. You can talk to this the people, successful people who got the job. You ask them. I'll call them one day. You ask the same question. How did you prepare your interview? Ask this question. Chalo, so tomorrow I'll be able to have second demo. Hope you have enjoyed it. Tomorrow we'll talk about completely technical things. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, same time, same meeting ID. Thank you so much for the joining, and let us concentrate on the subject first so that you can easily, get not only one offer letter, many offer letters. It is knowledge matters, mentor matters. If you go to different mentors, if you learn same Power BA there, he will say 25 days Power BA, 5 days SQL. That's it. Your life is gone, because with that you don't get a job forever. Even though you got a job, you cannot sustain in the company. Our people are getting 15, 20, 30 lakh jobs, but other institutional people are getting 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. That's it. After 1 year also, they will not be able to work with the new technologies, because basic knowledge is missing for them. So only with that you will not be able to get very good knowledge. Even though you have a 10 years of a gap, or 10 years you work with the non-IT company like ICICI Bank, say, State Bank of India, or you may be sales manager. First 7 years of experience we can showcase as a non-IT experience. Next 3 years of experience we can showcase as a Power BI also have used in my ICICI Bank. So to create lot of reports and everything. So tomorrow I'll talk about lot of technical things, and after tomorrow also we'll have lot of technical things. And after the 3 demos, you will be able to know the complete fee details and everything. You can make the payment and the installments and everything. If you have any other questions, you can talk to me now. So don't ask me fee related questions. Fee related, you can talk to these people. So after 10 o'clock, anytime, you can just call them, ask them any technical questions or any other questions, you can ask me now. Thank you so much.